Hey everyone, in today's 2-minute tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the order by keyword to sort our data in SQL. So, what is the order by keyword and what's it used for? The order by keyword is used to sort your data in SQL. It's helpful in making your data easier to understand and read. And the order by keyword automatically sorts your data in ascending order. So let's take a look at how we use it. So here we have our country table with a list of countries and a bunch of attributes about those countries. You'll notice that the country name column isn't actually sorted perfectly by country name, and it can be a little confusing. You see Netherlands is in the top there. So let's try and order it. We use our order by keyword to say order by name. And let's run and see what this gives us. Remember, if you don't specify anything, order by automatically orders it in ascending order. So see, you have it here in alphabetical order ascending. Now let's see how we do it descending. We simply add DESC to the end of our query. And now you'll see our countries are ordered in descending order alphabetically. Let's try another one. Let's order it by continent in ascending order. We'll do order by continent, and then we'll remove the descending part of the query. So let's run and see what we get. Now we have our continents ordered alphabetically in ascending order, starting with Africa, moving on to Antarctica, and then Asia. Now, let's say we wanted to sort it by continent, and then within each continent, we wanted to sort it by life expectancy descending. We would do order by continent, comma, life expectancy descending. So now this has it ordered by continent. So Africa is first, but within Africa, we then have it sorted by life expectancy descending. So it's a great way to make your data a lot more easier to read, easier to understand. That's a quick overview of the order by keyword. Please leave any questions you have in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks.